Now I would like to explain what is about R E P L in Python. So here we can understand REPL is not a one word. So these are the four words. R means read, E means evaluate, P means print, and L means loop. That means the first letters of each and every word are combined and formed REPL. What actually the REPL represents, now I can explain. So, suppose we are writing a program or the script. We know that the program is the set of instructions, right? These instructions are executed one after another in a sequential fashion. Generally, nowadays, we are writing high level programs, the high level languages, programs in high level languages. Here, the Python is also a high level language, but we know that the processor or the system which cannot directly understand what you write the programs in high level language. So, there is an translator such as that may be an interpreter or compiler which convert a high level language program into the machine language which can be directly understandable by the processor. So before conversion what actually happen I will explain how it will be converted. So REPL is a some process in the translation of the high level language program into binary language. First, actually, the first instruction is taken. That means this is reading into the compiler or interpreter, and it will be this is the reading. That is first one. Second one, it will be evaluated. That means it is as per the syntax rules of a particular language interpreter or compiler, and then it will be transferred to the machine language, that is binary code. This is the evaluation, and then it will be executed on the processor. So the first instruction execution has completed. For the second instruction, again we read, and then again we are going to be evaluate, that is as per the syntax of the particular language, and then we can execute on processor. We are repeating the same steps for each and every instruction within the program. That means we are repeating the same activity again and again. We are going to be call it as a loop. Okay friends, I will explain with an example and I will show it will be same on online. Suppose let us consider I am going to be write four instructions a equal to b plus c and x equal to m minus n and k equal to l into j and I equal to and y by z. So these are the four instructions 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am not providing any data to this instruction. What happen? What actually the Python interpreter will do? Because this is an interpreter, it takes the first instruction. That means it reads the first instruction and it will check here it is as per the syntax rules of the Python interpreter or not. This is the second, and then this instruction is executed on the processor, right? Executed, when it is executed, the result is printed. So this is the printing actually. Third one, print. What for the second instruction? Again, this is read into the interpreter. Again, it is evaluated here in the within the interpreter. Again, it will be executed and print. For the third instruction, the same, and fourth instruction, same. So these operations, that is read, evaluate, print, evaluate, print, are repeated for any instruction, for each and every instruction. So this procedure is known as the REPL. I will show directly on online Python interpreter command prompt, which is open in a provided by the python.org. So the online Python interpreter is like that. So the command prompt has three greater than symbols, and I will like to execute these commands here. Okay, friends. So now I will type 2, well, 2 or sorry, 2 plus 3 or 2 plus 4. What happened? So it will generate the result 6. That means when I type 2 plus 4 and when I press this one, the 2 plus 4 content is transferred to the interpreter, and it will be checked as per the syntax of Python language, and it is executed on the processor, and result is printed on the screen. Suppose I am going to be press, for example, 2 minus 4, subtraction operation. For this instruction also the same thing is happened. 2 minus 4 is read by the interpreter, and it is evaluated, then executed. When the execution is completed, the result is printed, and the Python interpreter is ready for the taking of the next instruction or reading of the next instruction. Simply I type print. This is REPL example, right? I write this one. What happened? So this is REPL example, it prints. So it take the instruction print, and it checks and evaluates and process. When the process it, the result is printed and ready for the next instruction. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand the REPL. Thank you.